Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Rabbi wa tammim bil khair. So we are going to start our this week's second session, and we were discussing the Kana and its sisters. Yesterday we did about Kana, and today we will see its sister Kana wa ikhwatuha, the same rule. So Kana rule we just discussed yesterday, and all Kana and its sister, they are called, they are incomplete verbs, and they are called af'al naqisa. So we have here, so just to recap it, I would take help from brother Javed Rasool, if he can please help me.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Javed bhai. Just if'al naqisa, can you please just tell us of something about
So,
that?
Kana
Just to
and
revive.
sisters, there are some verbs need additional information to make complete sense. These are called incomplete verbs, afal in aksa, like Kana, Asbaha, and Laisa.
Yeah, we will see that. So what
So,
Kana?
Kana and its sisters, they keep the ism stays as marfu, but they make the khabar mansub. That's the main difference.
Like,
So normal is Allahu Ghafurun Rahimun, but it makes we add kana before it. So kana Allahu Ghafurun Rahiman. So it made the Ghafurun and Rahiman as mansub.
okay, Javed bhai, another question. If I put in place of Kana, if I just put inna, so what will happen?
It'll make Allah mansub. I think Inna Allah
Yes,
Ghafurun.
it is just reverse of that. Inna make the ism mansub, and Kana make what?
Kana make
Khabar
the
as
khabar
mansub.
mansub.
So
Yes.
this first is called ismu Kana marfu, and the second part
Khabru
khabru
kana.
Kana.
Yes.
So thank you very much, Javed bhai. Jazakallah for revision. So this is the only rule that khabar will become mansub, and the ism is always stay marfu. So today we will see some very important, once for all we have to see these things. These are basically kana wa ikhwatuha, use of kana and its sisters, and all they are if'al naqisa. First and important thing, that rule we should know, that the rule is same like kana, the khabar will become mansub. This is one thing. Second important thing, that these words are used in Quran. So first of all, we should know that they are if'al naqisa, they are sisters of kana, kana wa ikhwatuha. And other important thing, that we should know the meaning. Meaning is very important for all these. They like kana, he was; asbaha, he became; sara, he became; he reached or he returned. According to the context, we will use the word if. Amsa, he became or he spent evening. Bata, he spent the night. Evening, he became. Bata, he spent the night. Adha, also he became, but it is about the forenoon, about the noon. Zolla, he became also in the day. Mazala, madama. Mazala, he still remained. Madama, as long as he remained. Laisa, he is not. And Laisa, we also discussed that it has only one column, that is Madi, but we translate it as in present. So these are kana, asbaha, sara, amsa, bata, adha, zolla, ma zala, ma dama, laysa. They are what they are. They are called sisters of kana. Kana wa ikhwatuha. And the rule is same. What is the rule? The ism remain marfu, but the khabar will become mansub. This is important thing in that. So first of all, we should know the meaning, and then the rule. Rule is same for kana, as the ism will remain marfu and the khabar will become mansub. Let's take some examples so that we should know the meaning at least, and also the rule. Like first, as always, yesterday we did, so I would ask Musab Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Musab. Can you please read it and tell me about the rule and what happened, and then we will go for translation.
Okay. وكان الله غفور رحيما. غفور رحيما is khabar. You should have been غفور رحيم, but because of kana, it became mansub.
So what is ismu kana and what is khabru kana?
Ismu kana is Allah,
Okay.
and
And khabru kana?
wa.
So if Allah is ismu kana, so what will be the khabru kana?
Ghafuran.
What become mansub?
Ghafurur Rahiman.
Ghafurun Rahimun. This is khabru kana. Yesterday we did na, Musab. See here. Kana Allahu Ghafur. As you said that it is without kana, it is Ghafurun Rahimun. But when you put kana, so what happened? Khabar will become
Mansub.
mansub. So what is khabar here?
Ghafurur Rahiman.
Ghafuran. So khabar become mansub. So what is ismu kana?
Ismu kana is Allah.
Okay.
And Ghafur Rahim is khabar and ismu kana.
Okay. And khabar will become
mansub.
because of
Kana.
kana. And these kana, asbaha, adha, mazala, madama, these are also called what?
If al naqis.
Fa'ale naqisa. Incomplete verbs. Incomplete
Verbs.
verb. Okay. In place of kana, if I put inna, so what will be the change in the sentence?
Inna Allahu Ghafurur Rahimun.
Inna, what is inna?
Indeed.
No, inna is grammatically, what do we say? If I put inna, so what will happen on Allah? And
it will become Allah.
Allah. I think you did not listen, brother Javed. He explained that if you put inna, then ism will become mansub. If you put kana and its sister, khabar will become mansub. This is the clear rule. Khabru kana, that will become mansub. And if there is inna, just to remember that, inna, that only affect on ism. That is called nawasibul ism. Okay, so inna Allah, but wa kana Allahu ghafuran rahima. So the second part, khabru kana, that is okay. Can you please translate it now?
Okay. And Allah is the forever merciful.
There are two things, Ghafur and Rahim.
Forgiveness.
And Allah is
Forever merciful.
Where is merciful? Meaning, merciful is one thing. Merciful is the translation of what? Ghafur or Rahim?
Rahim.
What about Ghafur?
Always.
No. Rahim is basically always merciful. That is Isme Sifa, continuously merciful, always merciful, all merciful. That is the meaning of Rahim. Ghafur is another attribute, and Ghafur means all forgiving. Can you please translate again, please, Musab?
And Allah is all forgiving and all merciful.
Where is and? Ya Musab? I did not see that. Maybe on your screen, is there any end?
No, and Allah is forever forgiver. And
there is end. There is no end, Musab. And Allah is all forgiving, continuously merciful.
All forgiving, continuously merciful.
Do it again, please.
And Allah is all forgiving and continuously merciful.
So if I say Ismu Kana is
Allah.
Khabru Kana.
Ghafuran Rahiman.
So these are two things. Thank you, Musab. Please focus. Okay, I will come back to you. Thank you. So I would go to Brother Hamid Naeem.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Hamid bhai, we are doing Kana and its sisters. So what will be the effect? What they do on the Jumla Ismiya?
Kana affects the khabar.
Khabar, and khabar will become
Mansoob.
mansub. Khabar will become mansub and ism will be marfu. Okay. Kana and its sisters are, can you please just revise them?
Okay. Bit late. Kana and asbaha, sara, amsa, bata, adha, zalla, ma zala, ma dama, laysa.
Like with meaning, Hamid bhai, so that we have to
Kana, he was, he has always been.
Yeah, we'll say just one meaning.
Okay.
Asbaha
Asbaha, he became in the morning. Sara, he became, reached, returned.
or he reached, he returned. Yeah. Amsa,
Amsa, he became in the evening, so just opposite to
yeah,
Asbaha. Bata, he spent the night. Adha, he became in the forenoon. Zolla, he became in the day. Mazala, he still remained. Madama, as long as he remained. Laisa, he is not.
Okay. Let's take this ayah, please.
فَأَصْبَحْتُمْ بِنِعْمَتِهِ إِخْوَانًا.
The important thing, we are not doing the translation. The important thing is about we are doing Kana and its sisters. So which sister is used here?
Asbaha.
Asbaha. Asbaha mean he became. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If asbaha means he became, what is the meaning of asbahtum?
Anta antum. So it is you all became.
Very good. Thank you. If it is sister of Kana, so it will affect on?
It will affect on the khabar.
What is khabru Kana here? Or I can say khabru asbaha. Khabru Kana basically.
Binimatin ikhwana.
Khabar. B is harf jar, that will be muta'alliq bil khabar actually.
Ikhwana.
Ikhwana. So this is the important thing to remember, that it is ikhwanun, so it become ikhwana. Okay, so asbaha is the sister of Kana, so it affect the khabar, so khabar become mansub. Okay, let's try to translate it. So you all
became in the morning ikhwana, brothers.
Brother, actually that's why it is, the meaning is he became. So you all became brothers bi ni'mati, he,
yeah, with
his grace, with
grace
his
or blessings.
Again please. So you all
became brothers in the morning with his blessings.
Yeah, let's just say became, they became. So you all became.
So you all became brothers with his blessing, with his mercy.
So important thing is, remember that this asbaha, this is sister of Kana. So this ikhwana is khabru Kana. Ikhwana is khabru
Kana.
And that's why this is ikhwanan. So these, we should know the meanings of each and every word from here. Let's go for the next example. I would go to Brother Ahmed.
Yes, alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Sara al-faqiru ghaniya.
Sara means?
Sara means he became, he reached, or he.
Okay. Okay, here is. Okay, so Sarah, what is here Khabru Khan? Sarah is sister of Kana. So what I would say, what is Khabru Kana and what is Ismu Kana?
Ismu Kana is Al-Fakhiru,
Yes.
and Khabru Kana is
So
Ghaniya.
what will be the effect of Sarah here?
Sarah
Khabar becomes
has changed Ghaniya to
Mansub.
has made it Mansub.
Mansub. Can
Yeah,
you just
Ghaniya.
try to translate it? Fakir, we can
He
say poor man, a needy man.
okay. He became
Who?
sorry.
We have to start from here.
Sorry, the poor man became rich.
Rich. Very nice. Poor man, a needy man become rich. Thank you. So next I would go to Brother Hamad.
Yeah. Amsal Haba Ubaridan.
Okay. Amsa is what? It is
a sister of Kana.
So it will affect what?
It will affect the khabar and make it mansub.
So what is Khabru Kana here?
Khabru Kana is Baridan.
Can you please translate it? Amsa means he became.
Okay, so Amsa, he became al-Hawa'u, the air.
Yes.
Baridan, cool.
The wind.
And the air became cool.
Or we can say, because also it is used for evening, so as per context we can use the wind or air became cool in the evening.
Okay. The air became cool in the evening.
Baridan, so this is the important thing that Khabru Khan. So thank you very much.
Brother
yes,
Akhtar, the next one I see the Wallazina Yabituna as
take it please.
Okay, so by reading this I see it as a verbal sentence because of the Yabituna. It's Fi'l Mudari, right?
Right.
Even though it is actually a sister of Kana, but where is the Ismu Kana here? Because Li Rabbihim is Mutalliq bil Khabar, right?
Yes. Okay.
Jar Majroor.
Yeah, I think this was a discussion last week also. I was not there in session. After the class, I think Dr. Abdul Khalik discussed that this Af'al Khamsa, when they come, so we will not go that we say that they are verbal sentence. They are sisters of Kana and its sisters. So, and they all applied on Jumla Ismiya. Second thing, when you say here, this is Bata. Bata is basically one of the sister of Kana. So can you please say Bata Yabitu Yabituna?
Right.
So it is because of that, this is sister of Kana. So what it is affecting? It is making khabar as mansub. What is the khabar here?
Yeah,
Sujjadam wa qiyaman.
Yeah, and the Ismu Kana would be then day, right? Day, right?
Day, yeah, inside.
Inside.
Yeah, it is. And li rabbihim is, we can say that this is mutalik bil khabar.
Right.
So Ahmad bhai, can you please translate this completely?
Okay, so wallazina, those who yabituna, they spent their nights, or they spent nights li rabbihim, for their Lord, sujjadan, in prostration, wa qiyaman, and in standing. So those who spent their nights for their Lord in prostration and in standing.
So important thing is to remember why it is sujjadan and why it become qiyaman, because of Bata. And Bata is sister of Kana. And also we discussed that all they have other derivatives also, like here asbaha, asbahtum. Only the Laisa has only Madi column, but it will be translated as only in present.
And another thing here is actually this, all these the Kana and its sister has to come before the ism, but if it comes after the ism, then that would is the rule changes.
I would say that they will come in the even in the beginning, and most of the I see them at the beginning, and they whenever I see them they affect it. But if Brother Shahbaz can add it something, but I did not.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Any comment on this?
No, I think there was some discussion about the location of Ismu Kana or Ismu. For example, over here in the third example, Sarul Fakiru. So the Fakir, location of Fakir is important. It has to be for this fakir to be called ismu Sara, it has to be after Sara.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, if it comes before Sara, then this cannot be called ismu Sara. I think this is what Brother Hamad is
But there
referring
will
to.
be no effect. When it comes, then it effect starts. Effect start after it, Sara, after Sara.
Yeah, that's
Faqiru is coming before that, there will be no effect of Sara on that.
I mean, fakir is not affected
Yeah.
anyways, but fakir will, in that case, if it comes before Sara, it cannot be the ismu Sara.
Yeah.
It will be something else.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just a matter of nomenclature,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the one more. Thank you, Shabazz bhai. One more example. Brother Shahid Iqbal is there.
जी सर अस्सलाम
Walaikum assalam. Can you please take the next one?
वालेकुम अضحى الناس مشغولين
Okay, so what is ismu adha and what is khabru ka adha?
اسم أضحى is الناس
Yes.
and مشغولين is خبر أضحى.
And mashghulina is mansub or marfu'?
It is منصوب.
What is marfu' of mashghulin?
مشغولون.
Okay, can you please translate it?
The people became busy in the afternoon.
In the noon or in form. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, next I would go to Farhan bhai.
ما زال زيد غنيا.
Okay. So what is khabru mazala and what is mansub? What is ismu
So
mazala?
khabar would be غنيا
Okay.
and ismu zala would be
Okay,
zaidun.
can you please translate it?
This is ma, right? So this would be past.
Mazala
so
is one word.
one
This
word,
mazala is sister of kana.
right? So it would be negative, right? So
No.
zaid, no.
Ma is part of zala.
Oh,
Ma first see here. Ma zala means
he still remained. Okay.
ma dama.
Yeah, as long as he remained.
You will see it as mazala. Combination is always mazala, madama.
Madama.
So mazala means
He still remained.
okay.
So Zaid remained rich.
Zad still remain rich. Yes. Zad
Still remained rich.
yes. Can you please take next one also?
Ma dumtu hayyan.
Okay.
And
Madama is what it is?
like a sister of Kana.
Okay,
So
and meaning?
It's as long as he remained.
Okay.
Hayyan is alive. So
okay.
Hayyan would be Khabru Dama and Khabru Kana, and then the Ma
dumtu hayyan. So meaning will be
like she it will be she remained.
Ma dama he remained, as long as he remained. What about ma dumtu?
They.
Let's start with they. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Farhan bhai. You are creating more and more questions. Ma dama, as long as he remained. If my question is, as long as they remained, then Madamu. Like Farhan bhai, kana, kanu, kunta, kuntum,
yeah.
kuntu. Same like here. Go ahead. Madama. As long as he remained. What about as long as they remained?
Yeah, damu, right? So that
Madamu, say please.
Yeah, madamu.
And as long as I remained, it will be
madami.
I think we have to go back to the
madamu.
Dumtu. Madama, then madamu,
madumtu.
Ma, you are there. Madumta.
Madumta.
And what about as long as I remained?
Dumti. Madamu.
Madumtu.
Farhan bhai, no problem. Actually, for a long time we did not have. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum. Fa'altu, I did. So fit it in the Madi column. Dama, damu. Can you please do the Madi column for Dama?
Yeah, so Dama, Damu, Dumta, Dumtum,
Yes.
Dumtu, Dumna,
Very
right? So
good. MashaAllah. Thank you. So see here, ma dumtu, meaning will be
so as long as I remained alive,
alive. Yeah. Can you play? Okay. Ma dama means?
as long as he remained.
And as long as they remain?
Damu, Madamu.
Ma damu. As long as you remain?
Dumta.
No, not dumta. Ma.
Dumta, yeah. Madumta.
As long as I remain?
Madumtu.
As long as we remain?
Madumna.
Thank you very much. So we have to go for breakout room so that everybody get a chance to practice on these, especially the meanings, please.